So this is an example of adding and subtracting a fraction with the same denominator. Okay, there are only two things that we are going to remember when we are adding or subtracting fractions with the same denominator. These are, first add the numerator and then copy the denominator. So if we are going to apply this into our example 2/5 plus 1/5, we are just going to add the numerator. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 5, copy our denominator. Okay, next is subtraction of fraction with the same denominator. So the same thing, two things to do is subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So in this example, 2/5 minus 1/5 is equal to 1 over 5.